The cul-de-sac design can be created in a separate corridor model or added to the main corridor. Combining these into a single corridor can make your design easier to manage if the corridor is not already too large. To add cul-de-sac into the main road corridor, pre-select the corridor, then from the contextual tool, select Add Baseline. In the Create Corridor Baseline dialog, specify a name for the cul-de-sac baseline. If using the naming template, reset the counter of the starting number. Make sure to toggle on alignment and profile. Then from the list, select the cul-de-sac design alignment and click OK. In the Select Profile dialog, pick the cul-de-sac design profile, then click OK. Before creating the cul-de-sac region in the corridor, you need to create an assembly. The cul-de-sac assembly is similar to the curve ridden assembly that you use for the intersection design. The cul-de-sac assembly will be attached to the design alignment and profile. So knowing the direction of the desired alignment will be critical for assembly definition. In this example, the curb and daylight sub-assemblies will be added to the right side and the pavement sub-assembly will be added on the left. The pavement sub-assembly will need the capability to set width and elevation targets. Start by creating a new assembly and assigning it a proper name. Use sub-assemblies from the main road to build your cul-de-sac assembly. To build out the right side, copy the daylight sub-assembly and the curb and gutter assembly from the full section. To copy sub-assemblies, make sure to use the contextual tools and not AutoCAD commands. Copy these onto the baseline marker. Copy the pavement sub-assembly from the left side of the full section onto the baseline marker as well. This subassembly uses a crown point code on the right and an ETW or edge of travel way point code on the left. This does not match up with the curve button, so these codes can be swapped. Using the subassemblies properties from the contextual menu on the parameters tab, locate the inside and outside point codes. Set the inside point code to ETW and the outside point code to crown. This may not factor into your design, but it is good to address should it become important. When you're all finished, make sure to save your drawing file. Now that you have a baseline added to the corridor and the cul-de-sac assembly created, you can add a new region into the main road corridor model. Select the main road corridor from your drawing, then from the contextual ribbon, select Add Regions. When prompted to select a baseline, move a cursor into the proximity of the cul-de-sac alignment. When it highlights, left click. When prompted to specify the region start point, use the AutoCAD snap to pick the start of the cul-de-sac alignment. When prompted to specify end station, snap to the end of the cul-de-sac alignment. In the Create Corridor Region dialog, reset the naming template counter for the region. Given this region will be starting under a new baseline, the counter can be reset to 1. From the assembly list, select the cul-de-sac assembly, then click OK. In the Target Mapping dialog, set the target surface width target and the outside elevation target. Add the existing ground into the surface target list. Add the main road design alignment into the width target and the main road design profile into the outside elevation target. You will need to first select the alignment, then select the FG profile. When you are all set with the targets, click OK. The corridor will update to the reflect the cul-de-sac region. The frequency interval for the region will need to be increased so the cul-de-sac is more accurately modeled. To adjust the frequencies, use the corridor contextual tools. In the ribbon, select Edit Frequency. Then pick the inside of the corridor region. In the frequencies, to apply, specify a smaller distance increment along tangents and curve. When you are finished, click OK. The cul-de-sac region will be immediately be updated to reflect the changes. To view and inspect the corridor model, use the Object Viewer. In the Object Viewer, you can use the View Control tools to pitch and rotate the view so you can inspect the corridor from different view perspectives. When you are finished with your design, make sure to save your drawing